Flat tires? Low pressure? This cordless tire inflator is a must-have for every driver. With a powerful 150 psi capacity, this portable air compressor quickly inflates car tires, motorcycle tires, bike tires, and even sports balls. The Smart Auto Shutoff feature ensures precise inflation by stopping when the desired pressure is reached, preventing overinflation. It includes a digital tire pressure gauge, a rechargeable battery, and a 12 volts car power adapter, making it perfect for road trips and emergency situations. Its compact design makes it easy to store, but keep in mind that battery life may be limited for inflating multiple car tires in one go, so using the included 12 volts adapter is recommended for long-term use. Overall, this tire inflator is a reliable and convenient tool for any driver or cyclist. Would you add this to your emergency kit? Check out my Amazon affiliate link below, no extra cost to you, and it helps support my channel for more reviews. Like and subscribe for more product reviews. And just remember, be nice and be kind to one another.